Iqela labathathi-nxaxheba ebelizimasele nkundla yokhuseleko ephehlelelweyo kwiYunivesithi iNelson Mandela liquka injengele ingqonyela uThokozani Mathonsi ophuma kwisebe lesipolisa eTshwane. Oku kuphehlelelwa kujoliswe ekuboneleleni ngoncedo kubasebenzi nakubafundi xa kukho ulwaphulo-mthetho olwenzekayo. Oku kubonwa njengelinge eliza kuba nefuthe elihle ekuhliseni izinga lolwaphulo-mthetho olwenzekayo kwiYunivesithi yaseNelson Mandela. Ngokokutsho kwesikhululo samapolisa saseHumud, zivamile iingxelo ezingolwaphulo-mthetho kumasango ale yunivesithi, ingakumbi ukudlwengula. Eli phulo lokusebenzisana namapolisa ngelinge lokuzisa ukhuseleko liqale laphehlelelwa kwisebe lale yunivesithi eliseGeorge kwiphondo laseNtshona Kapa. Abenkonzo zokhuseleko eNelson Mandela University bathi zikhona izakhiwo eGomeri zokuphawula iimpawu ezibonakalisa ukuba sengozini, i-SOS ngelasemzini. Bathi ezi zakhiwo zincedisa ekukhawuleziseni ukunikezela ingxelo ngengxaki ekhoyo. Eli candelo likwathe belikhe lanemicelimngeni yeekhamera ezingasebenziyo kodwa ngoku zilungisiwe. Umlawuli kwicandelo uDonovan Lech uthi le ntsebenziswano phakathi kweYunivesithi namapolisa ibalulekile.
Yeah, no, definitely. The partnership with South African Police Services in terms of launching the Campus Community Safety Forum is a multifaceted solution to safety security problems. For starters, this will give us a straight line or direct contact with a community liaison officer at SAPS at our local police station that will have a 24-hour availability in terms of matters, and specifically with regards to gender-based violence matters, because gender-based violence matters normally occurs during odd hours of the day, which means it's late evenings, early mornings, and many a time your normal office hours staff is not available. That is the first one. The second one is that this will be a collaborative approach in terms of sharing of resources. The university has got resources for fighting safety and security measures, but also South African Police Service has got resources. So what we now do is to actually combine our resources, have a joint approach, and have a much more effective approach to solving the problem and give us a much bigger chance of dealing with this matter. But critically for us, we want to have a preventative approach. We don't want a situation where there are already gender-based violence issues and cases, and then we want to implement something. This specific forum is a collaborative one, making sure that we have a common approach, understanding the responsibilities of SAPS, responsibilities of Nelson Mandela University and its team, but also then, as I said, having access to those resources.
Ubrigadier Tamara Hlomza wesikhululo saseHumud uthi bafumana ingxelo eziliqela kumaxhoba angabafundi.
Thank you for having me. Good afternoon. Let me say students because zihlala in different places around the metro, like student accommodations zabo, they are all around the metro. So we do have cases whereby they are robbed sometimes when they are waiting for the buses. But I cannot actually give the figure right now because sometimes it's not specific in the crime that he or she is a student at Nelson Mandela University because she or she is a victim of crime. That is what is important. So, but from the university itself, it's a very few incidents, though I'm not saying there are no incidents that are being reported, but it's very few. Those that we get is mostly when the students are moving, let's say, to the malls, when they are walking early hours of the morning and in the evening. So we get those cases that are being reported, but from the university itself is very few.
Umongameli we-SRC uYiva Magwede uthi bayalivuyela kakhulu eliphulo bengabafundi.
As students of NMU, we've had the question of safety, especially after COVID-19, to a point where you will remember in our Missionville campus, the university had to hire a private security to work hand in hand with our campus security. But That has escalated to even our Summerstone campuses, to a point where we received complaints for students who got robbed inside shuttles, students who got robbed moving between North and South campuses. So the launch that has taken place today, we appreciate it as the SRC, as it's going to address the question of safety, but also ensure that while the country is dealing with the pandemic of GBV, at least when we're within premises of the university, the safety of students and particularly the safety of female students is assured. Yes.
iYunivesithi yaseNelson Mandela ikholelwa ukuba kubalulekile ukuba nedatabase apho baza kubona khona amanani olwaphulo-mthetho olwenzeka kweli ziko lemfundo nakwiindawo ezimfutshane. Eli ziko likwathi abafundi baza kufuneka bathathe inxaxheba ngakumbi kweli qonga lokhuselo ngokuza ngaphambili neenkcukacha abanokuthi babe nazo ukuncedisa amapolisa. Kwiindaba zeMpuma Kapa TV, ndinguPhelisa Mkhendlana kwiYunivesithi yaseNelson Mandela.